Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the easiest scarf ever. For more information, including links to the pattern, please check out the drop-down description box. Now let's get started. For materials, you're going to need 263 yards or 300 grams of super bulky yarn. You will also need an L 8.00 millimeter crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle with a large eye for weaving in ends, and a stitch marker is optional but super handy. To begin, create a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger twice, grab the back yarn, and pull it to the front. And now what is the back yarn you're going to pull up, over, and off your finger. And this creates a slip knot. Then insert your hook into the slip knot, grab the working yarn and pull it down just a little bit to cinch down the slip knot. Next we're going to chain 137. To chain, yarn over and pull through. This creates a chain. Never count this loop on your hook. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. You can count your chains by counting the V's on the chain. So here you can see I have 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Continue until you have 137 chains and then I will meet back up. After I have chained 137, we're ready to begin row 1. First off, we're going to half double crochet into the 3rd chain from hook. So again, we're not counting this loop on our hook. We're going to count 1, 2, 3. To half double crochet, yarn over, and I like to hold that yarn over with my first finger here like this. Insert your hook into the chain, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops for the half double crochet. We're going to do this into each chain all the way back. At the end of row 1, you should have 135 stitches. This chain 2 at the beginning does not count as a stitch in this pattern. At the end of row 1, you want to chain 2 and turn. Again, this chain 2 will not count as a stitch. For row 2, we're going to be half double crocheting back loop only into each stitch. To half double crochet back loop only, we're going to be grabbing only the back loop of the stitch. So you see, if you look from the top, we have the back loop, which is the one furthest from you, and the front loop, which is the one closest to you. And we're going to be going from the top of the stitch and just grabbing that back loop. So again, we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the first stitch and the back loop. Grab our yarn and pull up a loop. There are 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And doing that into the next stitch. And by doing this, it's pushing that front loop forward, so we're going to have that ribbing or texture to the scarf. Go ahead and grab the back loop only all the way back, and at the end, I will meet up again. At the end of row 2, you're going to chain 2 and turn. Now rows 3 through 11 are just going to be repeating row 2. So again, we're just going to be placing 1 half double crochet back loop only into each stitch. We should only have 135 stitches. Once I have 11 rows, I will meet back up and show you how it looks. This is my scarf after 11 rows, and you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 rows. To fasten off, you just want to snip your yarn and then pull your tail through the last loop on your hook. Grab that yarn needle and weave in your tails. Well, that is all for this tutorial. I hope you have fun making the easiest scarf ever. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!